This quick video will show you basic maintenance for the ToxiRAE Pro. To perform a calibration, press and hold both the mode key and the Y+ keys to access the menus. Enter the 4-digit password of 0000 and select OK. Select the calibration menu and then select the span calibration sub-menu. The display will show the concentration of gas that the meter expects to see. Using a preset flow rate regulator in your CalGas cylinder, apply gas to the sensor using the calibration adapter and press the Y+ key to start. At the end, the screen will display the value in either a pass or fail message. Remove the gas, and if the sensor has passed, return to normal operation mode. To calibrate using an AutoRAE 2 calibration cradle, start with the ToxiRAE Pro turned off. Place the meter face down on the cradle and close the capture mechanism. This will power up the meter and begin the warm-up sequence. Once both lights are solid green, press the cal button. Once the calibration is complete, the cal light will display solid green for pass or solid red for fail. Press the red trigger to release the meter from the cradle, remove the meter, and read the display for the results of the calibration. To replace a sensor that fails calibration, unscrew the cap assembly and gently lift out the sensor and replace, being sure to properly align the pins. Reattach the cap assembly and recalibrate. Please note, when replacing an O2 sensor, wait 24 hours to allow the new sensor to attain bias current before performing the first calibration. For anything beyond routine use and maintenance, please contact our service team or visit our website. If this video was helpful, please consider us for your next gas detection purchase. From all of us here at AllSafe Industries, we thank you.